Hey everyone, Kemp here again, and this time I'm looking at Human Resource Machine. Now I haven't played this game yet, but I've seen a little bit of it being played, and the idea I get from it is it's basically a little puzzle game that essentially teaches you programming principles. So let's see how I get on with this. Okay, a new employee. Which one am I? I'm reasonably close to that one, I guess. It does look just like me. That's because it's mine, thank you. I am employee 1. Do I have a name? Maybe not. So, mailroom. Year 1. My first day. I look like an excellent instruction follower. I am. Okay, first job will appear on the right side in a moment. I can ask him for help, so... drag commands into this area to build a program, and I need to grab each thing from the inbox and drop it into the outbox. So, fetch from inbox and drop into outbox, I believe. Not enough stuff in the outbox. Okay, so in which case... do I do multiple things like this then? No, that is definitely not how I do that. Interesting. Wasn't expecting to be stuck already, though... One sec. So... Sorry, he'll put... Oh! I'm being stupid, aren't I? It's because it's not going to automatically loop, so the program's ending and he hasn't finished the task. Oh, yeah. That's entirely down to me. There we go. So just do the same thing over and over. Next floor, continue to elevator. Busy mailroom. Year 2. Well, it took me a whole year to do that. I'm not the most efficient of employees. Congratulations on promotion. People stress out and quit before making it this far, but I have a bright future in inbox-outbox management. Okay, this is what I was expecting to be able to do last time. So, inbox, outbox, and then jump back to the beginning. This is how I want to do it because... Okay, so I do have some background in coding, so my automatic reaction is, it's a loop. But of course it doesn't automatically do a loop in this. Oh, I can make him go faster. There we go. That was taking him a bit of time. Done! Continue on to the elevator. So what I'm probably going to do is try to do sort of 15-minute episodes and just try to get through the whole game. So, if you want to do this for yourself, you probably don't want all the solutions from me, so just watch out for that. Inbox quest really broken. So, ignore inbox for now. Okay. And send the following 3 letters to the outbox. Bug. These 3. Okay, so I need a way to pick up things from the carpet, apparently. So, can I fetch something from the inbox? What does that do? Does that copy the B onto... Yeah, that copies the B onto what I'm holding. Okay, that makes sense. That's good. The problem is I can't do this in a loop, because this is going to be different every time. Unfortunate. Well, I'll do it the slow way. Presumably at some point it's going to give me a more efficient way to be able to do this. I still get the jump, but I assume that I always have access to all of the commands, probably. So, B, U, and G. Done. Year 3. This is all reasonably simple so far. What's happening in year 4? Conveyor system's fixed! Yay! Let's get back to work. So, grab 2 things from the inbox, drop them into the outbox in reverse order. Repeat until inbox is empty. So I have copy 2 now, which will let me copy a value from a box onto the carpet, presumably. So what I'm going to want to do is grab something from the inbox, copy that to here. Just drop that, don't care. Grab nothing from the inbox, put it in the outbox. And then can I copy from when I'm not already holding something, is the question I want to ask. So go there, copy to there, throw away, grab next one. Put it on the outbox. I can copy from without already holding a box. Great. So then I just need a jump. And that should work. There we go. I like this. It's I mean, it basically is teaching the essentials of programming, storing values and blah blah blah. I'm not going to go into all the extra detail there. Just take it as it is. Oh, this is different. Okay. Oh, yeah. I wondered if anything was going to happen.
Regions of the city continue to experience power failure. Local authorities are investigating.
Is there plot involved? I was just expecting a little puzzle game. I suppose post-Portal you can't have little puzzle games, can you? So, rainy summer. Oh, career milestone 1, just got an achievement. So, his personal rain cat, not very good at math since he only has 3 fingers on each hand. He actually does. Don't need to know much about it. So, add 2 items together. New command adds the contents of a tile on the floor to whatever value you're currently holding. So this is your accumulator. So you want to grab from the inbox, copy to 0 will do fine. Grab another thing from the inbox, add what I'm holding to the value in 0, take that to the outbox and jump. Oops. Nope, that's all gone wrong. There we go. So, in a lot of the... so if you're programming in assembly, this is a familiar concept, the accumulator. So basically, you have registers in a CPU. I said I wasn't going to go into detail, didn't I? You have registers in a CPU which are a nice, really fast temporary place to store a value. And what the accumulator typically does is that you add a value from somewhere, probably in memory, to the value that's in a particular register. There's always some associated register. So that's, I guess, translated here by being the fact that it adds it always to whatever you're currently holding. So yeah, that's my very quick lesson for this. In fact, I'll show you one cycle of this quickly. So it copies to there, throws it away, grabs the next one, adds them together, takes it to the output. Grabs the next one, copies to there, throws it away, gets another one, adds them together, takes it to the output. And we're all done. All nice and simple. Year 6 complete. Oh, I have a choice. So what I'll probably do is go up this branch and then finish the episode on those. And then in the next episode I'll pick up the other branch and continue on the main path. Who am I? Optional area for high-performing employees. I am a high-performing employee. I'm killing this. I'm late. 7 years. You never asked for me. 100. Well, aren't you the nicest people? Featuring in the inbox triplet and outbooks the result. So, what this is going to be is take something from the inbox, copy to here, and then I can do 2 adds, which would essentially triple it, take it to the outbox, and jump. In fact, I'll leave the jump off while I show you how that goes. So take something, drop it there, add, take to outbox. Nice and simple. So let's add the jump in and get this done. That dude is super efficient when I speed it up. Yep, I used the least commands. I used the steps. I completed the challenges. In many cases, not possible to optimize both simultaneously with one solution. In this case, it was possible, but I assume it's going to be your processing speed versus memory use trade-off. Again, a common thing in programming, where you have to make the decision of whether you want to use more memory or you want to have it done in fewer instructions. Wait, that's... Nope, that's not the right way around. Whether you want to use less memory or less instructions. So, okay, so the lights in the elevator are the challenges. So, multiply each thing by 8. This is interesting, so... multiplying by 8... using 3... Okay, no, that makes sense. That does make sense. So I guess the sort of naive way, so it would be to copy that there and then do like 7 add commands to add it to itself, itself plus another 7. But what you can do, if I add it, copy that to, yeah, just keep. So, yeah, I'll show you how this works when it gets to it. I don't know how to jump only a certain number of times. There's no conditionals here, so I probably have to do it the inefficient way. One more copy to, one more add, and then outbox. So what this is going to do, you drop the value there, essentially multiply it by 2, then multiply that by 2, and then multiply that by 2, and then take it to the exit. So basically, rather than just adding, I'm copying the value back into memory and then doing the add again, and I end up multiplying by 8 by multiplying by 2 3 times effectively. Nice and simple. Let's just get this done. A little bit faster. There we go. Now, how do I do on the challenges? 9 or fewer commands? Yeah. 36 or fewer steps. Okay, that was okay. And the last one. Year 12. I've been working here a while. Commence away executed assignment. So, multiply by 40. I can't do that just by straight powers of 2, can I? It's going to be 32 and 8 probably. So, what I need to do... This is where it gets really annoying that I don't have conditionals and nice, like, for loops and things. So, copy to here. Do exactly the same as before. So, do it 3 times to multiply by 8. So now in 0, now in 0, I have it multiplied by 8. Then I also want to move it to copy it to there. So now 0 and 1 have the multiplied by 8 value. So what I'm going to do now is multiply it again, so that's by 16. And again is by 32. Now I don't need to copy it back. All I need to do is add it to this one. So I've got it multiplied by 32 and multiplied by 8. Add those together and I have it multiplied by 40. Just make sure I got this right. So 2, 4, 8, copy to there, copy to there. 16, 32, outbox. So this first one should end up 40. Please end up 40. Be rather embarrassing if I got this wrong. There we go, yep. My fiddly maths was basically correct. Now we loop that back round. and we get them all done. Now, this will take a moment. Zeros. And there we go. So, challenges. 14 or fewer. Oh no, I can do it in one fewer command. Interesting. And fewer steps. Well, I'm definitely having a go at that then. Oh, I don't need to do both copies, do I? Yeah, I do. I might have to leave this one. I'll tell you what, I won't keep you here while I study it, so I'm going to figure it out, jump cut to that, and then we'll finish the episode there. Okay, well I honestly don't see where I could cut an instruction out, so I might actually have to leave it there. If you can see a solution, let me know in the comments section below, or find me on Twitter at Kemp Plays, but for now, thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.